Today, I'll be showing you how to unlock any phone from any carrier through a simple and free method. This will work for any brand, including Samsung, iPhone, LG, Motorola, Huawei, or any other. If you happen to have a carrier app installed on your phone, unlocking it will be even easier. After following the steps in this video, you won't need an unlock code. Instead, you'll simply wait for a message in the carrier app indicating that your phone has been unlocked. For iPhone users, just connect your device to Wi-Fi, and the unlock should activate. Before we begin, I'd like to mention a small disclaimer. The tool I'm about to show you is 100% legal, safe, and free. This tool will also help you get your phone unlocked, regardless of whether it's currently under an active contract with your service provider. By the way, please be very careful with the spam comments left on this video. They are all from bots representing people who offer this service for a fee. We might be affecting their business since I'm showing you a free method to unlock your phone from carriers. Follow my exact steps from this video, and after that, you will have a phone that will work with any SIM card from any carrier in the world. With that said, let's start. All right, so grab your phone and insert an unsupported SIM card. That means a SIM card from a carrier other than your original one. After powering up your phone, you'll receive a message asking for an unlock code. Once you enter the code, your phone will be fully unlocked and ready to use with any carrier. Here's the best part. You can unlock your phone for free on this website. Just follow the instructions here, and you'll unlock your phone for free using a simple method. Thanks so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.
But that's alright. Hush.